Here are a couple of very cool units. Here's a vintage 1970s Whirlpool air conditioner. Look at that. It's interesting. I'm not sure where the data would be, but yeah, I don't think it has the data sheet anymore. And then here's this Goodman unit that's got a Copeland recip. There's the data. It's from 2005. And then an older Nordine with a scroll, Copeland scroll. There's the data. And then here's a Carrier 38 TKB. Right there, it's from 2005. So yeah, here's the an American Standard Silver Series unit right here, Alliance Scroll. It's from 2017. It's a 5-ton. Then here's this vintage unit. Looks to be a Snyder General. That's got a Copeland recip in there. New fan motor, a US motor. It's a heat pump. Really would like to get this defrosting. And it's a 2.5-ton. Yeah, cool unit, for sure. Here are 3 train units right here. It looks like some of these are running. Oh wait, no, it's a Rheem down there that's running. It's from 2016 and it's a 3.5-ton. Nice and cold. It's Canada. And then here are these 3 train units. Train XR, Alliance Scroll. It's from 2015. It's a 4-ton. And these 2 I'm not going to get to because they're basically the same. So yeah. Here's this Train XC1000, straight cool Climate Tough recip and a blanket. It is from 1996 and it is a 5-ton. So yeah, that's probably it. Thank you for watching, and it's over now. Alright, so we are at a business complex here. We have a few interesting air conditioners. We'll start here. Here's what looks to be a Carrier or Bryant of some sort. Let's see, that's got a Copeland scroll, and it is a heat pump. Gotta come here for defrost. It's pretty close. Yep, it's a heat pump from 1995, and it's a 3.5-ton. Then here's a decaying heat pump. That thing has got a Copeland scroll. There's the data sheet right there. Alright, here's a Lennox Merit heat pump with Copeland scroll. That's good. And it is a heat pump, of course. It's from 2017. It's a 2-ton. You gotta come here for defrost. They have some really cool units. Here's a Ryan Air Quiet System heat pump that's got an interesting scroll. I don't know what that is. I think it's a really old Millennium scroll. It's from 1991 and it's a 2-ton. Here's a decaying with the Copeland scroll. And it's a heat pump. It's a 13 SEER and it's a 5-ton and it's from 2013. And then a Train XR heat pump. That's got a Copeland scroll. It's from 2017. It's 3.5-ton. Okay, here's a decaying heat pump with a Copeland reciprocating compressor. There's the data. Yeah, this place is definitely going on my D4S list. Then a Lennox Value Series heat pump that's got a Tecumseh recip. Really like those compressors. And there's Data 2-ton from 1997. Here's a Carrier Comfort heat pump with a Copeland scroll, of course. Let's see, it's from 2010 and it's a 2-ton. I'll check the model number later and see if it's a Comfort or a base model. Here's another one. It's from 2013, it's a 3-ton. And then here's a Carrier Comfort heat pump, of course. There's the date. It's from 2007, and it's a 2.5-ton. It's also have Huron. And then this unit right here, this is it. So yeah, alright, so we're at a hotel here. And here's this Sanyo Pac inverter running. It's pulling out some warm air, so it's running in cooling mode. It's a straight cool. It's a 15.9 SEER. It's a 3-ton, made in China. And then here we have a Strain XB heat pump. It's from 2004 and it's a 4-ton. Climatus scroll. It is Energy Star approved, so that would mean it's more than a 10 SEER. So this one, gonna spend too much time on these. So yeah, here we have another Sanyo Pac inverter running. Straight cool. It's 27,000 BTU. It's weird. Here we have another Pac inverter that's running. 14.9 SEER. That's pushing out some nice warm air. It is about 58 degrees right now. Made in China. 26,000 BTU, I guess. You can hear that compressor. That's a nice compressor sounds, actually. So yeah, try and see if I can film a few more units.